This is a 97 Nissan pickup, four-wheel drive. The exhaust manifold is cracked. Took these 3 downpipe bolts off, and this tube was a problem getting out, and I took a cut-off tool and cut some gashes and knocked the piece out of there and got it lubed up and got it moving. Got the EGR valve tube out of it, and took the manifold studs nuts off. This one in the front was broke off, so I got a drill down in there and put some cobalt bits, and I took a Torx bit that was a little bigger than the hole and beat it in there. And got wedged in there and pretty much just walking the stud out. I just got to clean the gasket surfaces up. Put another stud in it. I used a cut-off tool to put some gashes in that manifold around that EGR valve nut. It didn't want to come out of there. It's out of there now. This is a new one. Bushing for the O2 sensor and a new O2 sensor and a hole for the EGR valve port. Pretty heavy for a little manifold. Although the ports aren't very good design. Might have to look at them. Grind out a little relief out of that. Check for obstacles in this. There could be anything in there. Well, it's kind of a bear, but it's in there. Got EGR fitting with something else, but it bottomed out and tightened the tube up, so mangled a little bit. I just need to really had to jiggle that manifold around to get those 3 studs lined up with that flange. It might have been easier just to put maybe 1 bolt in it or something, or 1 stud, but I just jiggled the manifold around and it settled down and was able to push it on the studs on the head. But yeah, I just need to bring that downpipe up and put the heat shield back on it and fasten the dipstick. I had to take the dipstick loose to work around it. It's still in the way, but I didn't want to break it all. It's really stuck in there.